put your reservoir on and hose in place before you put the shock in. Not a lot of fun getting that in there. Another thing that was missing when I got the bike was there was no pin in this bolt that holds the rear brake pedal on. A little bit of grease. Getting that pin in there isn't going to be an easy thing to do. The rear chain slider still doesn't look good because the sprocket's in it. The engine seems to be in gear. I haven't put the shift lever on yet. It's gonna be one of the last things I did. Thinking they gave me some extra chain because the wheels are all the way back. Once I remove that pin, not all the way, enough to get that in there, I won't have any adjustment left in the chain. Extension's going to be helpful. Then I'll take another one out. I think taking another one out would be a bad idea. You have numbers on the plate, they belong out. These do not. Sometimes you can just use a front pin. That.